In today's episode, we are going to dive into the world of creating basic charts and graphs in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or just need artificial, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know to visualize your data effectively. So let's get started, okay? So before we jump into creating, it is essential to have your data organized properly. Make sure each column represent a different category or variables, and each row contains individual data points. So once the data is organized, so sorting it will be much easier. Okay, so to create a chart, first select the data you want to input. So you can click and drag to select a range of cells, and or you can click on the first cell and hold down the shift key while clicking on the last cell or to select RH. Okay, so with your data selected, it's time to insert our chart. So go to the insert tabs on the Excel ribbon, and you will find the various charts tabs under the chart books. And here, by clicking over here, now you can see we have a different one. For example, if you have your numerical data, a column charts like that charts might be suitable. If you are comparing percentage of pie charts like this one, would be more pretty appropriate. Okay, and we can use also the recommended chart, and it is also recommended the cluster chart or cluster column charts. And so here, just click over here, then hit on the OK. So once you have insert your chart, you can start customizing it to better represent your data. You can change the chart titles by double clicking over here. And this is the sales or the charts multi-sales report. You can easily use it. I will just write here the sales report, this one. Okay, so you have now this one, and you can also add the different element by selecting the charts and go to the add charts element. You can add the axis titles or your primary or vertical title, so whatever you want. For example, I want to use this in this primary horizontal this one, or I want to use this one as like I can just say this is the mark in here. So this one you can easily customize it. And if you want to format chart styles by using chart style, you can have the different style over here. Like here you can have the different style, so whatever you prefer. Okay, so now that we have this one, and you can also add the data labels license by using the chart elements. Then you can have the data labels if you want to use, or you can easily text out this one or the legend if you want to use. You can easily use so hard you want to use it. Okay, so and once you have created and customized your chart, it's time to save and share it. So you can save your work to Excel file to computer or cloud storage service by going to the file tabs and uses a base and select that destination. So do you want to save it by using this way, or you can give the proper name to save it and give the proper name to file, like it can be easy to find out your files. Okay, and yeah, there you have it, creating basic chart and graphs in Excel, a simple yet powerful way to visualize your data, whether you are analyzing sales figure, tracking expense, or representing research finding. Thanks, Excel charts can help you to communicate your insights effectively. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.